We're working on the
Oh yeah, for sure.
GTR.
I mean, if I die, I want to die under 2 degrees of extension at the same time. 1 or 2 more. There we go. That's clear. Good. Let's pull this next bumper off.
Yeah, that's what I was working on. Need that long head.
It legitly looks like Mountain Dew.
I think it's just. Honestly, I thought I had straight water in it, so I was really worried that it was.
The Nissan secret is Mountain Dew in the radiator. That's how they hold so much horsepower.
Yeah, it's actually 1,000 horsepower coolant.
Yeah. In case you kids didn't know, there's coolant for different horsepower levels.
What does Honda use? Blue? Red?
We use, what do we use? Crystal Pepsi?
Crystal Pepsi. That's only good for about 42 horsepower though.
Yeah.
That's really where Honda goes wrong.
Yeah, we get by with it. It works.
Yeah, that was. There we go.
Clear.
And there's a. Oh, this is.
No, you're good.
It's just
there we go.
Paperweight
really
fender.
Where to put it, honestly? Spare room? Or no, it's too dirty.
They actually weigh
Yeah, if we just had
about a pound or two.
I'm just sitting right here for right now. Put it on top of the ramrod.
Yes.
Pretty sure that fender is worth as much as the.
Yeah.
Dude, give me some duct tape.
Oh my god. Sexiest over fenders anyone's ever seen on a Honda.
Can run like.
Dude, look, it's like almost the same.
Yeah. But the front goes out a little bit.
It does. It does. There isn't just straight 6 under this hood.
We can make this work. GTR front end conversion. So part of what makes the GTR so great is that it contains lean. Another reason why the GTR is the best goddamn car ever made. Just leaking lean. Lean and Mountain Dew, that's what powers this car.
The worst part is it's actually automatic transmission fluid for the 4-wheel drive system.
Yes, lean. The secret sauce. So we've got a lot of it ready to go. Subframes and engine stuff's gonna come out the bottom. But the guys thought that found something that might be able to help us in the backyard, actually. John's new house. That's right, a free swing set is going to be our frame for the GTR. And that's not John setting up the swing set for the Sawzall.
I don't see how this could possibly go wrong.
This is normal Nissan stuff, building a frame out of a swing set you got for free.
Came with the house.
Well, at the cost of a house. It's a very expensive swing set.
That's alright, I already got halfway cut.
Once again, Alex almost died.
What? No. that never happens.
You know what's funny is that people put dildos on those things.
That sounds painful.
Yeah.
Side body parts.
Recording right now?
Yes.
That
sounds awful.
sounds either like the best time of your life or Ryan, are you qualified to use this?
No.
Didn't we just say Ryan's not allowed? No!
It was very satisfying.
Just get over having a discussion where Ryan's
This
not
one got like a
supposed to
4x4.
touch anything.
Yeah, Ryan's not allowed to touch it.
And he touched
It
one
wasn't
of those stages
Nissan
close around.
related!
And you gave him a
Come
saw.
on!
This is Nissan related. This is a Nissan playset.
That wasn't cool.
This is a
So
critical.
how far do we know? Because we need to
Yeah,
find.
you wanna go measure?
This is the linchpin of the
So we
whole
found out
operation.
Dylan watches really intense hardcore porn.
From like the
Does he? Oh yeah, with the dildo attached to the reciprocating saw.
Yes.
Do they take the blade off first?
Yeah.
Dylan seems like
Yeah, it's like an attachment.
Oh, I see. I see.
So it like goes on, like you take the knife out.
It sounds like
obviously.
something that you start at the lowest speed and you're like, this is a good idea. And then somebody gets overzealous and pulls the trigger.
Yeah, like one guy's had like a little too much coffee and his hand's
Yeah.
shaking. He's trying to hold it steady, and then he just like goes all out.
Yeah, and then somebody ends up bleeding internally. Sounds.
just like every time I use a sawzall.
Oh, sounds
Ready for this? It's my fault.
That was very
Jump on it,
anticlimactic.
Facing the entropy of the forest.
Ankles and knees were.
Why did you use ATP
To explain this,
facilitate and transport your shit up to the box? Yeah, pull it out. Yeah.
Hold on. And go. Oh, watch here. Oh, we good? Yeah. Rip my powder coating. Yes, almost ripped my powder coating. Here. Go back this way. There you go. And
Straight out?
Yep.
We're on it. Look how big this thing is.
I'd probably get it like all the way out from under the car.
Oh.
That, my friends,
shit.
is the heart of the beast right there. Ready? Yep. And bump.
We've officially lifted up a GTR off of what makes it so glorious.
All right, so let's leave this exactly like this for 6 months.
put
No, we're
John's
gonna-
bed underneath there.
We're gonna figure out some way to put wheels on that bitch, and we're going to roll it out so we can do Alex's clutch tomorrow.
You guys can have fun doing that.
Yeah, I can come out.
I've got a floor to paint.
I just like Saturday I pulled the engine on my GTR, and Sunday I did a full clutch on a 300Z.
Monday I cried.
No, this isn't my job.
You actually doing a clutch tomorrow?
Well, we're gonna start it.
I'm gonna
sometime.
start it, yeah.
Way off the ground.
That is
Crazy.
not sketchy at all. The fact that we can just lift it is neat.
I told you we would be able to.
That's so cool. So you guys want to set this thing down a little bit?
No, I'll just leave it like that.
I'd say it's good.
Totally
Move the trucks.
glorious invention.
Trucks out, Skyline
Next
in,
step.
trucks in, Nissan in, Civic out.
Alright.
That's the sound a Nissan fanboy makes when he's fapping.
Thanks, Dylan.
This is how Steven dies.
Scary down there, huh?
Ugh.
I know.
That was me
scary
straightening it
down
out. Sorry. That was...
I don't like those noises, John.
there. Can you turn just a little bit more?
We're gonna hit. Yeah, we are.
Push it right in the trash can where it belongs.
We're gonna roll the back wheels off into the grass, right?
We're rolling the whole thing into the ground.
Oh, we are?
You sure want the front end in the grass?
Okay.
Plenty of room to park my truck here. So yeah, I can't turn my
Okay.
truck around that.
What about?
Oh, there it goes.
But the other three caught it. So let's go.
Oops.
We're so close.
Okay. It's okay.
We're so close.
It's gonna just break when you hit that.
Careful.
It didn't.
Oh, there's another one!
Yeah, all right.
Well, guess what? We made it right into the grass.
Right where it needs to be.
That's where she lives.
That is just a good design because it lasted just as long as it needed to.
Planned obstinance.
Just like the perfect racing engine.
Well designed.
We'll come up with something else when we push it back.
I
down.
don't know. I like this.
Well, the thing is, now we can come in with a jack and
Cherry picker on the concrete.
Yeah.
Pick it up. roll it out.
roll the cherry.
Yeah.
Oh,
This got casters
God.
on.
It works. It works.
I'll go to
Let
Harbor Freight tomorrow and buy one.
it with people.
So you want to move your engine back into the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll clean it up a little bit.
Okay.
But at that point,
Well, I got to take off.
you take off. You have to take off. I don't know if you're staying or
I
not.
can stay.
Well, I got nothing to do till like 8 or so.
That doesn't look good.
So, cylinder 1 has some contact on the side. Okay. Cylinder 2, more contact. 3, 4 is okay.
Yeah, 4's okay.
What? 4 is okay.
Getting burned. It's a bit of piston missing over there.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
how much gap there is there.
And then that one.
And
That
then
one's got quite a bit more gap.
6 was toast. So we have closure.
It was everything.
It was the block.
Literally.
And yeah, I'm kind of worried what the valves look like too, or what the hell
Hit it.
made that. Yeah,
Time. I
It's
can't.
like-
Timing was dead on, man. I don't know. It ran real good. You can see
Yeah.
it starts. It can't be timing. I don't know what.
looks like it. Oh my god! Oh, Steven,
Holy shit!
that catches the nail.
Oh my god!
Sleeve that catches the nail.
Yeah, that's
Nail.
bad.
That's really bad.
Wow.
This
Look
one's
at that.
weird. These sleeves are no good,
Oh, is that
dude.
just the shape of the piston?
Good thing you can try. Oh, feel that.
Yeah.
It's toast. Toast.
Yeah.
Toast.
Oh,
Yeah.
that feels like.
This is a lesson
Oh,
on how to
my
murder an
God.
engine.
Wow. Next episode, we look inside the FD's motor.
I think next episode we buy a Kia Rio.
Still cross hatching there though. That's good.
I think.
Oh my god. What the hell happened in this cylinder?
Guys, we gotta look at the valves.
There must have been
We need to flip his
debris.
head.
There must have been debris or something that got in there.
It might be because I had a half-inch hole in my frame for a long time. And
There's contact over here too. There was some serious dirt that got in here, but yeah. Wow. Got the turbos here. The second one.
I mean, it's a 28-year-old engine.
A little bit of play, side to side, up and down, not much. This one had
Put all these in a big bag.
some play in it too.
Felt really bad and then really good.
Flip the head.
Which way are we going?
Hey, there's more coolant. Yay. Everything I've ever wanted. You can probably just flip it and set it down. Oh no, okay, it's oil. It's a reflection. Just about to lose my shit. You want to just set it on its back? Yeah. All the hardware.
Forgot about all that.
Yeah.
I think a couple buckets fell out.
Yeah, I think so too.
That doesn't look like contact to me.
Okay.
That looks like shit.
But it just looks burnt.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, timing's good.
That's the
Yeah, they're O5U valves, which means they're shims dropping out, all sorts of
Yeah. This is great.
It's fine. It all needs readjusted
This
anyways.
is fantastic.
Looks like something here. This one looks higher than the others. These feel pretty flush, but this one looks higher.
They all look higher though. All the exhaust
Yeah,
valves are sticking
makes
out a little
sense.
more. That's so crispy. That's a fucked valve there. That could have been before I bought it though.
Yeah, let's blame this on the previous owner.
Dude, I like the sound of that.
That turd that rate. Oh my god.
Look how much water.
That's just garbage in this.
Yeah, this is just
a lot of water in
dirt.
this one.
Yeah,
That
it's
head's
the.
like garbage though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can't surface that out.
No.
Right there too.
It's getting expensive, guys.
Yeah, right there.
There's very little you can reuse here.
There's very little I can reuse here. That's catastrophic engine failure.
Wow, I cannot believe this.
There's a lot of water in here.
There's a little. Wow. Wow. That's. Jeez, rough.
I mean, that could
Oh
also.
my god.
Yeah. Wow. The water could also be from where we just flipped it though.
Well,
yeah.
I'm oh my godding.
Yeah,
That's
I
what
know.
it's supposed to look like.
Material, yeah.
And
And one good cylinder.
let's just cut it out. Mm-hmm. Weld it back into a new car.
Jesus.
Guys, I need a head.
John, do you need a drink?
But now we know. Jesus.